What's up you guys, it's Brandon here, also known as BlazeJump. Today we're going over the top 5 ways you can actually make income on your Twitch stream so you can quit your job and you can do full-time streaming. Now number 1, you can set up donations, which is pretty much like tipping if you use American terms, which is pretty much the viewer, let's say Tim, watches your channel and you got a donation link set up. They click on that, they send you, for example, $10, and $10 goes straight into your PayPal account, and that's 100% yours. Twitch doesn't take it, they don't take any percentage. That donation is considered yours for the keeping, and that's number 1. Number 2 is bits, and what bits are is pretty much a Twitch currency, and it can convert into real money. So for example, if someone donates you 100 bits, that's equivalent of $1 depending on your currency. For example, USD, if someone sends 100 bits into you, that's 1 USD. For everything else, it might fluctuate a bit differently. Now, you can't purchase bits with your real money and send bits to someone. It's just a fun little interaction type of, I guess, money giving through Twitch's platform. Now, number 3, you can actually do affiliate marketing, where you can set up a specific list of your hardware. For example, my microphone, my gaming mouse, my phone, for example, and you can actually put a column which is linked to your Amazon account, and people can click on that product that they see and that they like. They can buy the product directly from Amazon, and you get a percentage depending on what type of category it is from, because different types of hardware, software, apparel, anything like that, each one has a different conversion rate. I believe electronics, for example, a USB, right? Let's say the USB is $1, the percentage rate I believe is 3% on how much you get. So for example, if it was $10, 3% of $10 is, now that's 0.3 of cents. Now obviously that's not a good number, but for example, if you were to sell a whole system, for example a $2,000 big bundle box with games, beastly computer, keyboard, mouse, keyboard, etc. If you sell that for like $1,000, for example, you could potentially get up to $100 per sale. So Amazon would make the $900 and you would make the extra $100 just saying, you guys can go buy this, it supports me. And that is, this can be revolutionized on a bigger platform besides Twitch, but Twitch is one way you can also do affiliate marketing, and it's also a great side income. So that is number 3, affiliate marketing. Number 4 is merchandise, and pretty much what merchandise is if someone has exclusive clothing, bracelets, watches, necklaces, glasses, whatever. Pretty much if you are selling that, then you got your own merchandise. And for example, if a shirt is $40, I'm not exactly sure how merchandise stores work because I never set one up myself, but for example, if a shirt is $40, I believe a percentage goes to whichever vendor you're going through, and they take a small percentage and you take most of a percentage because it's your merchandise, it's your property, your design, etc. You're just pretty much using their website as a page where they can come and click your stuff. So the website would make a small percentage and you make a majority of a percentage. A lot of big streamers have their own merchandise, their own custom keyboards and all that, etc., with sponsors and all that coming in. Now number 5 is adverts, which is pretty much free revenue because you haven't got your audience paying you, you haven't got your audience buying anything from you. Pretty much is, for example, if you're going to go on a break, a lot of streamers do this, they go on a break and they run ads for, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes. During those 3 to 5 minutes, if you got 1,000 people watching, and let's say only 10 of them actually click on your videos, depending on how much percentage you get from the ad and all that stuff, it racks up to a few dollars just for 3 to 5 minutes being away from your computer. And even if your viewers don't buy whatever the advertisement is, you still get money because you got a click-through rate on your advertisement. So I can click on your advertisement. For example, you make $1. I don't have to buy the product, but it's just pretty much free money, and you haven't got your viewers giving you money, and you aren't paying money to get that money. Now, bonus, number 6 actually is sponsorships. I totally left this out in my Word document. That's my bad. But anyway, you can get sponsorships for brands such as Razer, Corsair, PC Gamers, Thermaltake. Pretty much any gaming industry you can think of, you can be sponsored by them. Now, each sponsor depends on your level of following and all that stuff, because some people have requirements, some people don't have requirements, some people have high requirements, and some people have low requirements. Now, it's really up to you. I mean, if you're on Twitch, generally you want to grow as much as you can. And my nose is playing up. This ain't good. But if you want to get sponsors, I'd say best opportunity is for you to reach out to the company yourself. Reach out to everyone. If you get no, sorry, but you can't change that. Just grow your fan base and go in again for the sponsorship. And other brands such as Razer, I know their sponsorship brands aren't too high, so you can contact them. Or if you're lucky, some sponsors can actually come to you and they can email you, and you can set something up with them, depending what rates you want and all this stuff, because they can be negotiable. Just they can't be like crazy ridiculous, like, oh, if someone buys this from me, I want 90% and you guys get 20%. It doesn't really work like that. Often it'd be between at least 30 or 40%. On the good end. On the low end, it's between 10, 20, or even lower at that percentage rate. So sponsorships is also another good way you can actually get income through your streams. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and follow my social medias. You got my Twitter, my Twitch, and my Instagram. My Twitter is BlazeBrandon. My Twitch is BlazeJump, and my Instagram is the BlazeJump. Other than that, if you guys want any of my products, if you guys want anything from myself that I personally use, you can go into my link and go through my Amazon affiliate, and you can purchase from there, and I get commission from that, and that'd be a great help. And you'd be getting an awesome product, I'd be getting some money. Win-win. Other than that, see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.